Okay, so I'm going to open up my Google Chrome. Now I'm going to go to ClassLink. And now I'm going to access ClassLink with the same password that I used yesterday. And now it's saying 90 seconds. Last time it said 60 and last time it said 15. I have not changed my password at all. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, so now I'm going to close that and I'm going to try to go to Google and go to the Cleburne ISD website. And now I'm going to try to access some of the staff resources so I can get my work done. I'm going to go to Skyward so I can try to put in grades this weekend. So here is my login information. So earlier it said that I needed to reset my my password was incorrect, even though I haven't changed it. So I had to click forgot and reset. So now I'm going to my email, my work email, and I'm gonna show you the email that I got from Skyward. And this is what I got from Skyward. And they gave me this temporary password, 7441. Now I go to Skyward and I attempt to log in with that information. And it's taking a little bit, but it tells me invalid login password. Now what if I do this again? Forgot your password. I'm going to try again. I'm going to put my email a.martinez@c-isd.com. No, I'm not a robot. And I'm going to click submit. It says your request has been received by the district. If you don't receive an email soon, please contact the district. Okay. So now I'm going to go to my work email and just wait for the email to come in. Here it is. I just received it. Again, here it says we received the request to reset your account with this email. If you did not request, you can ignore this email, but I did request it. So here is okay, so it's not giving me a password to try to reset it. It just says login A Martinez, click or paste the following link to reset your account, and then IP address logged 67.44.01. So now I'm getting a different prompt. Rather than resetting my password, it's asking me to reset my whole Skyward account, even though another teacher's account is working just fine. Okay, logging off.